I compiled a list of all of the print-on-demand products that we can sell with customization for only a single image, meaning our customer purchases it from us and they provide us one photo or one image, okay, one image file that we then go and place on the product and send it for fulfillment. It's meant to be an easy way of offering customization right in time for gift giving season, by the way. I mean, custom products sell year round, but especially in November, December. This is meant to be low stress, low friction, low time required on our end, on the back end, fulfilling these orders, and a nice easy way of, again, adding that personalized touch to the products that our customers are ordering from us. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you the list of custom products in just a second, but first I wanted to mention you should be selling these custom products on Amazon, on Etsy, on eBay, even on Shopify. And if you don't know where to start, I have a full print-on-demand course that covers all of the above, including research and design and automation. It covers everything. It's linked in the description. It shows you step-by-step how I make six-figure profits for my print-on-demand business every year since 2019. All right, let's get to it. The first product I wanted to show you is actually an all-over print t-shirt. Now, this is the only one like this that I'm going to share. The rest are going to be significantly easier, but I did just want to show you, in case you've never offered all-over print, a style of designing these that works with very low friction. So you go ahead and you add your design. Like Halloween's coming up, I'll add a candy corn as my design, and I'm going to change the background color of the shirt to black for contrast. But basically, what Printful allows you to do is pattern these. So they have a pattern button, and I like the brick pattern style. Okay, you can also resize the elements, and in doing so, you know, it changes what it actually looks like over here on the mockup. Okay, so you can make it big, you can make it small, etc. Then you have a mockup button in the top right corner that essentially allows you to double check your work and see what the all over print is ultimately going to look like. This is the only all over print where you need to pattern that I'm going to share in this video. The rest are going to be as simple as possible. Take the image, put it on the products, be done. Okay, but I did want to make sure I showed you that this is possible. So the second product are pins. Now, pins, that may be counterintuitive, but I can even show you really quickly if you click create product template. And again, I'm not going to do a design for all of these products, but if I take a photo, you know, I've got my chihuahuas right here. By the way, you can take the photo from the customer and you can even like make this bigger. So I have 3 dogs in that one photo, and you can design each pin up to 5 pins. So that's pin number 1. I'll put it on Pablo. And then pin number 2, same photo, but, and this is just me sharing one example, I can put it on Chewy here. Okay, boom, that's pin number 2. And then pin 3 can go to Satoshi, right? So I'm just showing you, this is one way of doing these pins off of a single photo. Of course, you also have the option of taking the photo and just making 5 pins of the same photo, okay? So pins you can do a lot with too, but my goal here was to take a single image and put it on a custom product. Like you can design pins using the text tool. There's a lot of ways you can do the pins, all right? Let's move forward to the next product, an all-over print tote bag. This is where the purpose of this video really starts, okay? You can hit create product template. I said I wasn't going to do a design for all of these products, but I did just want to show you that I can take that same photo of my lovely dogs. I can apply it right here to the tote bag, and that's all I have to do. It's literally that simple. So pretend that this is an image provided by my customer. They love their dogs. They send the image on Amazon, on Etsy, on eBay, on Shopify, wherever you're offering custom products. Just like that, it's done. You literally upload it to Printful, and it's done. It doesn't need to be any more complicated than this, okay? One thing to keep in mind though is if you need to design on both sides, make sure you do design on the front and the back. I actually don't think that in this case we do, but certain products, I'm sure there'll be some examples for me to share. You might need to, okay? This is what I wanted to show you. This is the true purpose of this video. Next product is a laptop sleeve, okay? Put your laptop zipped up in a sleeve for protection so you can transport it. Do I need to do a design demo? Probably not. It's literally as simple as what you just watched me do with the tote bag. Add the image, resize it as necessary, and move on to the next product. Next product is an all-over print minimalist backpack. So Printful has another backpack that's not nearly as easy. I want to keep everything simple. The minimalist backpack, you add your photo to the front and you move on. You can customize the sides, the top, the bottom, etc., but you don't need to. You can just put the custom photo on the very front of the bag, okay? And then that's your customization. all over print drawstring bag. Okay, we're all familiar with drawstring bags. I used to use these playing sports, playing basketball specifically back in the day. Stands out in my head. So how about a custom drawstring bag with a single photo? Similarly, an all over print crossbody bag, kind of like a purse. Okay, that's another product you can offer. Just take a photo and add it. Next product, an all over print bandana. Okay, now, I mean, there's ways you can do it with patterns. There's ways you could do it with photos. I mean, like I said, I want it to be simple, so I would probably go the photo route, but you could also definitely do the pattern element. You know what I mean? Do the candy corn bandana like I showed you. You can do an all over print water bottle. Now, it's not a perfect example. I'll open this one up in the designer here and just show you. If I place the photo, I can't actually add the photo to the whole water bottle. If you can see over my shoulder here, it's wrapping it around the bottom, like body portion of the water bottle. So it's worth noting this is not a perfect solution, but I don't think it looks terrible. Like if I was actually designing this for myself, I would probably make the body of the water bottle black. Okay. Because I think that blends in better with the photo. Oh, okay. Yeah, there it is. Okay. See, so I think that kind of transitions a little bit smoother. And then you can also go down here and you can basically tile this photo. Okay, so you would go back up to pattern and then you just tile it horizontally. And that way it will cleanly wrap around the entire bottle. Okay, that's another quick recommendation if you do customizable with one photo water bottles. You could also crop that image, by the way, so that it's just like fits seamlessly one time around. Next product, of course, yoga mats, guys. I mean, come on now, that's so easy. Take a photo, slap it on a yoga mat. The Printful base cost is $41.50 for the yoga mat, but with Printful growth and Printful business, that drops down under $40. And for something custom like this, even if you charged $50, you make $8.50 profit per sale. That's a pretty healthy margin. And I'm sure you could charge $60 for a custom yoga mat. How about sports water bottles? And then I believe there's another water bottle here. Yeah. And then wide mouth plastic water bottles. You can slap a photo or an image on both of these. Okay. So just understand both of these can be customized with a photo. Sublimated socks. I've actually sold more recently of these, selling in the political niche, not gonna lie, but you can slap a photo on the sublimated socks as well, and that works just fine. Also flip-flops. All right, there's various types of shoes. Printful has a massive catalog. I'm gonna link to Printful in the description, by the way. You can join for free if you're not already using them. They have a huge catalog of shoes, but I know flip-flops, high top canvas shoes. I can go to the designer real quick and just show you how I might go about designing these. Okay, add my photo. Now, again, you might want to like actually play around with like cropping the photo and whatnot to make it look right. And if this is one of these where there might be extra effort required just to make it perfect for the customer. Because if I just kind of resize this photo to where it looks okay, and then I go to mockups, like it's not going to be perfect. Like it's kind of hard to even tell that that's a picture of my dogs. So my advice is just sell products like this at your own discretion. Don't make it too hard on yourself. There's no bonus points for making money the hard way when you can make money the easy way alternatively. You know what I mean? Like I'm less likely to offer custom shoes. I just don't want that extra effort. Moving on, custom mouse pads. Perfect, right? Let's go into the designer and just compare this to designing shoes. So I come in here, in order to design the mouse pad, I literally just add the photo. All right, it automatically has it kind of sized for me, okay? Just like that, boom. I can go to mockups if I want to double check. Should be simple enough. And there's my mouse pad. It doesn't need to be harder than this, guys. All right, moving on. Gaming mouse pads. These are just larger mouse pads. Shout out to the gamers. Let me know in the comments if you also have a gaming background. I mean, I don't game much anymore, but my mouse pad down here is like massive. Like it goes underneath my keyboard. It's probably, what is this, 36 inches by 18. It's probably about that size. So, of course, phone cases, guys. Add a photo to a phone case. Just tell your customer in the listing, in your listing images, which is what they're most likely going to see, to send you a photo optimized for a phone case. So not a horizontal photo, but a vertical photo, right? And I mean, Printful's got all types of phone cases for iPhones, for Androids, for Samsung, all the above, right? You can see right here all of the iPhone cases available. They've even got the iPhone 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max, and 16. Wait, so iPhone released 4 different iPhone 16s? Interesting. I do not use iPhone. You can do AirPod cases, right? You can add a photo, but let me just show you real quick in case you've never messed around here. The custom area is not too big. It's pretty small. So again, just make that evident in your listing. Make sure the customer understands that that's the level of customization they're going to get with the photo that they send. Okay. It's occupying, just a square portion in the front of the earbuds case. You can do custom neck gaiters and or whatever you want to call them, masks, etc. Right? You can put a photo on those. Simple. You could do kiss cut stickers where they're probably just going to be the shape of the photo, and I imagine that would be a square or a rectangle. You could do mugs, all right? In this case, if you design a mug, I'm going to open up the designer real quick. I'm going to add my photo of my dogs, and then I just want to show you down here, if you scroll, you might have to scroll down. There's a checkbox that says duplicate the design on both sides. So I can go ahead and click that, and now I can reposition it, and you'll see it puts the image on the left side of the mug, but it's also on the other side of the mug. So if I go to Mockups just to double check, you'll see it's on the left side. You'll see it's on the right side. You'll see there's additional mockups showing both sides. Okay. So Printful has a bunch of really good mockups, by the way, especially I like their mug mockups. You can do an all over print flag. All right. Easy enough. Place your photo, move on. Might be worth telling them, hey, it's going to look better if you send me a photo optimized horizontally. Otherwise, there's going to be some cropping required. Canvas prints, yard signs, that's recently added to Printful's catalog. Ornaments, of course, this is acrylic ornaments. They've got metal ornaments. They've got wood ornaments. They've got every type of ornament. All right. And you already know it's ornament season. All right. It's officially begun. They've got notepads. They've got calendars. All right. My private community, we decided this week that we're going to do a little contest in the month of November. Who can sell the most custom calendars? So if you want to join my private community, we do multiple live streams a week. It's a nice, close, tight-knit group, very productive. Linked in the description. All right. We have framed posters. So not just posters and other wall art, but framed. They can ship them framed. Of course, the shipping prices are going to be really high because of the frame, but that shouldn't deter you from selling it because you pass that cost along to the customer, right? I wonder how many people are on Etsy selling these framed posters with $5.99 shipping. It's an Etsy joke, right? Standard postcards, and there's other types of postcards as well. There's like the type of, I think they're just called greeting cards that you can open. You know what I mean? You can sell those as well through Printful. Oh yeah, right here, greeting cards, starting at $2.45. They've got throw blankets. Just make sure they send you a high resolution photo because, the bigger the actual product that it's printed on, the higher the resolution of the photo needs to be. It goes all the way up. These blankets go up to 60 inches by 80 inches. You've got coasters, which is pretty much the opposite of a throw blanket. You could have a really low resolution photo and it would print just fine on a coaster, most likely, since they're less than 4 inches by 4 inches. You've got Koozies, also called can coolers. Oh, they make them for the slim cans as well. All right. My drink of choice is High Noon. So I love that they've got the slim Koozies. I can't believe I didn't know that. They have sublimated towels similar to the blankets we just looked at. You know what I mean? Just make sure the photo is optimized. And towels can go, it's all, I guess, your perspective. They could be vertical, they could be horizontal. So I guess a photo would work either way. Custom shaped pillows. I just dropped a video last week where I did custom shaped pillows. I sample ordered them from Printful. They came out amazing. I can link to that video here in the YouTube cards if you missed it. They have all over print pillows. These are their basic pillows. They also have a premium pillow. They've got pillowcases. Okay, so instead of selling the actual pillow, you can just do the pillowcase, right? Small, lightweight. They have different sizes, 18 by 18, 20 by 12, 22 by 22. Wrapping paper. You can do custom wrapping paper. Now, is a single photo going to look good on the wrapping paper? Probably not. I've ordered this in the past and I've done like a little collage. You could offer the collage wrapping paper. I would just go find a tool where you can like upload, 10 different images and it just spits out the collage done for you so that you don't have to like inherit that headache if you're going to offer multiple images. That's just me thinking out loud. You've got jigsaw puzzles. One of the easiest low-hanging fruits for a single photo custom print-on-demand product has to be a puzzle, right? And you can do 252 pieces all the way up to 520 pieces. You could do candles, all right? Now, you might not have thought of candles in this case, but you can. You can just slap the photo right there on the label that goes on the candle. They've got metal prints. They've got placemats, all right? These are currently, as of recording this video, out of stock, but Worth noting that they do have custom placemats and they have custom napkin sets that could go hand in hand with the placemats. So that's really what I wanted to show you guys. I will actually link to a file where I linked to all of these products on Printful in a Google Sheet. So a single reference, you have the whole list of all these products, over 40 of them. I will link to that in the description next to my Printful link to make this easy on you guys. There's no better time than right now. Assuming you're watching this video when it comes out in Q4 of 2024, there's no better time to be like doubling down, tripling down on your time and effort investment into your print-on-demand business, launching listings just like the ones I showed you, where you're offering custom products and you make it easier on yourself on the back end because it's a single image. You saw how easily you can place the image, send it to production, move on. That should be the goal, guys, because time is money. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not already. Check out Printful. All of these products you saw are available in their catalog. You can join for free. And I'll see you guys soon with another new video.